Good morning, Jai Hind children. Welcome in today's class. Children, today we will continue the lesson bird. What we have learned in this lesson? About the different parts of the bird and about the nest of the bird and how bird make nest and different types of claws and beak. Today we will also continue the same thing. Many book exercises we will do today, as well as today we will write the defined words of the lesson. So be ready with your book and notebook both, dear. I will share my screen where I will show you the book pages. From there we will complete the book exercises. Okay, children? Yes, in very short, we will read the lesson. A bird can fly. Why a bird can fly? Because of its boat-shaped body and light-weight hollow bones. Ears are filled between the bones, na? And they have different types of feathers and wings. That's why only the bird can fly. Any other animal cannot fly because they don't have such type of bones and feathers and wings. What is the use of feathers? Feathers keep a bird's body warm, give it shape and color, and help it to fly. And birds have three main types of each feathers: contour feather, that is the body feather; down feather; and light feathers. But do not have teeth. They use their beaks to eat various kind of food. And children, what is the another use of beak? Some birds like tailor bird and weaver bird, they make their special type of nest, and woodpecker also, by using their beak. It means beak is very useful part of the bird's body. They eat the food, they crush and crack the nuts what they eat, as well as they make their nest also. What is nest here? A nest is the bird's home where bird live with their young ones. The beaks, the feet and claws are differently shaped to suit their feeding habit. They have different shapes, and it depends upon the type of the food they eat. If they are flesh eating, they have to tear the flesh. They have different types of claws, very sharp claws, that is called talons. Eagle has and vulture have such type of claws, na? And birds have different types of nesting habit. As penguin makes the nest by using the different types of stones, pebbles. Why? Because it lives in the icy places. Okay. So the birds have different types of nesting habit, different types of nest. It makes different types of nest and many different features it has. Okay, this is the short the lesson. A and B exercise to tick the correct option, and true false we have done yesterday in our previous class. Now we will do the third exercise, that is C. Fill in the blanks. Dash feathers keep the bird's body warm. Which type of feather keeps the bird's body warm? Down feathers, right. Down feathers are present all over the body, and it keeps the bird body warm. They are fluffy, thick. That's why they can keep their body warm. And long feathers attached to the wings of birds are known as flight feathers. Okay, the wings पे feathers होते हैं, उनको कौन सा feather बोलते हैं? Flight feathers. They are flat and comparatively they are big and colorful also. And with the help of flight muscles, the wings move upward and downward, and the bird can fly in the sky and move forward. Now, parakeets have a strong dash beak. What type of beak parakeets have? And parrot? Curved beak, because they have to crush the nut. So their beaks are curved. ऐसे मुड़ी हुई सी होती है, curved होती है आगे को जाके. सबने पैरट का देखा है ना beak? And what is the color of parrot's beak? Red. It is very special, na? The beak of a woodpecker is shaped like a chisel. ऐसे chisel shaped का होता है. And जैसे woodpecker जो है, they keep different types of thing to cut to make a hole in the wood. They have a special instrument called chisel. The shape of their beak is also like a chisel. And children, most birds have 4 toes. Generally, the birds have how many toes? 4 toes. 2 in front and 2 in back. ऐसे back or front पे, the perching bird, you have seen the claws of the perching bird, the toes of the, they hold the branches of the tree, and they can lock by their these toes, and they can sleep also on the same branch. Okay, you have done. In the first one you will write down, in the second one you will write flight feathers, and in the third one you will write curved beak, and in the fourth one its shape is like a chisel, and most bird have 4 toes. Now give 2 examples each of scratching birds. Those who make a scratch in the ground to eat the worms and insects present in mud, present in the soil. They are hen and peacock. You have seen a hen and perching inside using its claws. Yes, they are called scratching bird. They scratch in the land. They scratch in the soil where they live. For what? For their feeding, for the eating. And by scratching in the soil, there is many types of different small insects are present. Ants and beetles, they eat such type of thing, okay? And that's why they are called scratching bird. The 2 examples of scratching birds are hen and peacock. And now give me the 2 examples of wading birds. They are cranes and herons. Cranes and herons. They have very long legs. What is the meaning of wading? Wading means walking through shallow water. What is the meaning of wading? Walking through shallow water. They have a very long legs, and they walk on the ground on the lower level, bottom of the pond using their legs. And this type of movement is called wading. And the birds who do such type of movements are called wading birds. And the examples of wading birds, crane and herons. These are the 2 birds. Now, E. Here you have to write the answer. 2 types of wing movement in a bird. Bird के fly करते समय birds do 2 types of movement. Now I have shown you pictures also that are called upstroke and downstroke. What are these 2 movements? Upstroke and downstroke. What you will write here? Upstroke and downstroke. Now, 3 types of feathers in birds. In birds, there are 3 types of feathers are present. Now, I have shown you also now all 3 types of feathers. The first is you will write the name of these 3 feathers. Write in small letters, because the space is less. Contour, then comma, then down, and flight feathers. Contour, these are the name of feathers. What are these? These are the name of feathers. You can write. Children, I will share these things in the PDF form in your WhatsApp group. From there, you can write also. And now I think you are all smart. You are able to do yourself also, na? You have understood the topic, na? Just for correcting the answer, I am telling you. Come to the next one. Yes, these are the different types of birds picture having different types of beak. And in the first row it is, and then in the second row there is the claws of the birds. You have to see the picture of bird and you have to identify, then match. Okay, first one is you have to make, this is vulture. You can see the beak, curved beak, and you will match with talons. They are flesh-eating bird. Very strong curved beak. They have to tear the flesh. Okay. Then you will match with this bird with claws. Number 1, talons. Very sharp claws. You can see here. See now? You will match A with C. Okay? And you can write the numbers also, or you can use the scale also. Any of it. I have done both the things. Come to the second one. This is hen, and it has what type of claws? These scratching match 2 with A. Okay? And these are duck. Special type of beak, flat beak, and having an edge, comb-like edge and a small hole. Yes, and you will match with this feet. This is webbed feet. The toes are joined together with a small muscles. The small jilli jaisa structure hota hai. It is webbed. It acts like a paddle of the boat. And that's why they are called swimming bird. They are called swimming bird. And they are called, what they are called? Scratching bird, because they scratch on this na. And here is the crow. And this is the claws of the crow. Fourth, you will match with B. The fourth one, you will match with B. You all can identify this na? Can do also? Yes, children, this is the now notebook work. Yesterday I have given this defined words. You will write, fill the index page, and lesson number 7, birds. What are defined? Talons. What are talons? Flight muscles, upstroke movement, downstroke movement, and the nest. These you have done yesterday. You all, today I will again share. If anything is left, you can copy from there also. And today you will start the new work. That is the answer these questions. Okay? From the new page you will write. What is question number 1? This time you understand the answer. And after this you will write from the PDF which I will share. What special features help a bird to fly? A bird can fly easily in the air because of one thing. The first point is it has a boat-shaped body. It helps it to cut through the air easily. This shape helps the birds to fly. You make a paper aeroplane and the shape is like that. Na? That's why it can fly just like that. Come to the second point. Leave one line, then you will write the second. It also has a hollow and fewer, matlab less number of bone. That keeps its body light. Okay? These 2 points you will write. Then you will draw a line with a scale. You will draw a line with a scale. And come to the question number 2. How is the beak of a pigeon different from that of a duck? Answer 2. Pigeon's beak. A pigeon has a short, hard and horny beak. Duck's beak. A duck has a broad and flat beak. Come to the second one. Their beaks help them to crush the grain and seeds they eat. That's why they have such type of beak. And in duck means on number 2 point, their beaks has comb-like edges on the side. The water and the mud flow out through the edges, leaving the worm and insect inside the mouth, which they eat. You can write from there this PDF. This time you don't write. You write from the PDF. Just now I am showing you to make you understand the answer. Question number 3. How are the claws of a perching bird different from those of a flesh-eating bird? Perching bird, like crows and pigeons, grip the branches tightly like a lock. As they sit on the branches, their grip is so strong that the bird cannot fall off. वो bird नहीं गिर पाती. Even by sleeping on it. वो उसको पकड़ के सो भी जाते हैं, लटक भी जाते हैं, but they cannot fall because the structure of the bird's claws is like that. And flesh-eating bird, they have sharp, curved claws एंड दे आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग इनफ, बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं क्योंकि उनको प्रे को, जिस एनिमल को ये खाते हैं, स्मॉल एनिमल को, जैसे ईगल स्मॉल रैट को खाता है, तो वो अपने, देखते हो अपने क्लॉज में रैट को होल्ड कर सकता है. दे कैन होल्ड देयर प्रे बिटवीन द टोज वाइल फ्लाइंग. उसको लेके उड़ना होता है, फ्लाई करना होता है. दैट्स व्हाई दे हैव सच टाइप ऑफ. Now come to question number 4. How do parent birds take care of their eggs and young one? Children, the question number 4 in book we are not writing. We will write only for the next word question. We will leave the differentiate between the penguin's nest and that nest. Na? That question we will not do. We will do this the question. Question number 4. How do parent birds take care of their eggs and young ones? Answer 4. Most birds take care of their young ones by taking turn to sit one by one. वो अपने eggs पे set करते हैं, उनको warmth देते हैं, and they also try to keep enemies away. और वो क्यों बनाते हैं? Parent take care कैसे करते हैं? उन अब nest बनाते हैं और उनको enemies को दूर करने के लिए. और when one parent sits on the eggs, the other goes out to find out the food for their chicks. The parent bird take care of the birds until they grow their feathers. जब तक कि feather नहीं हो जाते तब तक वो उसका care करते हैं, learn to find food for themselves. जब तक वो अपना खाना बनाना खुद नहीं सीख जाते हैं, the parent bird take cares of their young ones. I hope you all can write. You can write from the PDF which I will share, dear. Okay, children? I hope you have understood. You have done the book exercises. Okay? And you have done the today question answer. Question answer you have done. In the next, we will write the give reason and the other questions. There were give reason was there, na? And the other questions we will write in our next class. Okay, children? You are collecting the things for making that nest, na? Nest बनाने का सामान collect कर रहे हो ना? Okay, in the next week, we will do the activity. We will make the nest. And I will tell you how to make a that egg of balloon. Balloon से एक egg का sample भी बना करके मैं दिखाऊंगी. Yeah? You will also make with me. Okay, children? Bye-bye. Meet you soon in the next class. And after just now, end of the class, I will share the PDF. From there, you will write and you complete your work today. Don't leave the work for tomorrow. Today, you have to complete your all questions answer, which I am going to share. Bye-bye, children.